Well, cracks appear to be widening within the India bloc ahead of the UP Assembly elections, with the Congress MP Imran Masood launching a sharp attack on the Samajwadi Party, claiming that the SP cannot tolerate outspoken Muslim leaders. He also credited Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for his own electoral victory, while asserting that the SP benefited from the Congress alliance in the 2024 Lok Sabha polls. His remarks come in response to the Samajwadi Party leader Udaybir Singh, and this has fueled fresh tensions between the allies. Now, the Congress MP Imran Masood has launched a sharp attack on the Samajwadi Party, questioning the political relevance in Madhya Pradesh as well. So, Imran Masood going on to say that the Samajwadi Party does not tolerate strong Muslim leaders. Now, Masood has also gone on to say that the Congress is a national party and is not begging before the Samajwadi Party. Now, he sparked off a controversy with his statement and said the facts are evident and some people seem to be getting upset when he speaks out.
प्रधानमंत्री तो यहीं बैठे रहते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री तो कहीं जाते नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री देश से बाहर जाएं तो सवाल नहीं खड़े होते। राहुल गांधी कहीं चले जाएं तो आप सवाल पूछने लगते हो। ये बात प्रधानमंत्री से पूछ।
लेकिन ये समाजवादी पार्टी बोल रही है सर, समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से ऐसा बयान
किसने दिया? कौन है ये?
उनके स्पोक्सपर्सन है सर, वो
तो कौन? मानसिक रूप से दिवालिया है वो।
लेकिन अलायंस की अगर बात करें सर, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि समाजवादी पार्टी आप लोगों की जो डिमांड है वो सुनने के लिए तैयार हुई? क्योंकि आज आपने भी एक गंभीर आरोप लगाया कि मुस्लिम लीडर्स को वो टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते हैं, जो कि बात बोलते हैं।
भाई वो दिखाई दे रहा है, देखो जो बुरा लग जाएगा, मेरा बोलना बहुत बोल चुका मैं, लेकिन ये बात तो सच्चाई है।
इक्विटेबल सीट्स की जो डिमांड राजेंद्र पाल गौतम जी ने भी उठाई है, वो आपको क्या लगता है कि समाजवादी पार्टी मानेगी?
देखिए, उनके मानने ना मानने का प्रश्न ही नहीं है हमारे सामने। हम किसी से भीख थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं। अगर भाई हमारे गठबंधन होगा, हमारी बात होगी, ठीक होगा, नहीं होगा तो भी होगा ये, लेकिन होना चाहिए फौरन। बस मेरा इतना कहना है, जो भी होना चाहिए।
वो कह रहे हैं कि मध्य प्रदेश में हमें कांग्रेस ने सीट नहीं दी थी, तो अब कैसे, किस
मध्य प्रदेश में आपका वजूद क्या है भाई? आप ऐसी बातें कर देते हैं। कांग्रेस राष्ट्रीय पार्टी है।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच सर। सो दैट वाज मिस्टर इमरान मसूद स्पीकिंग।
So that was my colleague Niyamika in conversation with Imran Masood, and now clearly there are differences between the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party ahead of the elections. Niyamika is also joining us live, and Niyamika, in that conversation it became amply clear. It's the same story from the Congress Party yet again, while in the state dismissing an ally and then rolling out the red carpet when it wants the ally at the centre, or during the Lok Sabha elections. What's happening?
Well, just months ahead of the assembly elections in the state of Uttar Pradesh, now the rift within India bloc has come out in open. We have seen that how this particular issue has been taken up by various leaders within the Congress party, be it Imran Masood or even Rajendra Pal Gautam. They are not just demanding the equitable share of seats in the upcoming assembly elections, but they are also raising a question upon the various statements which have been given by the Samajwadi Party leaders. As right now also we have seen that how Imran Masood has made a scathing attack upon the Samajwadi Party, saying that how can they even ask for seats in the state of Madhya Pradesh when they don't even exist in that particular state. In fact, they have also he has also stated that the Congress party is not begging for the seats. It's right because the Congress party is the national party. In the past also we have seen that how the similar kind of a statement was being given by Mr. Rajendra Pal Gautam, in which he had mentioned it very clearly that only Congress party can defeat the BJP. It can fight against the ideology of the BJP and the RSS, and all the regional parties should accept this fact, and that is the only reason why they are demanding that not just an equitable share but also a respectable number of seats should be given to the Congress party when these talks about the alliance is going to take place in the upcoming months. So that is the kind of statement which is being made by the Congress party. But on the other side, Samajwadi party is continuously rejecting all of these claims which the Congress is making, as we have also listened to various statements, whether it is Rajiv Rai or Mr. IP Singh, as he has also spoken to Times Now regarding this entire matter.
Okay, so clearly all is not well. Niyamika, do stay with us. We have reactions coming in from the BJP as well that has mocked the Congress SP fight, claiming cracks have surfaced in the alliance. Even before the UP elections, the party accused the Congress of yet again failing to maintain ties with its regional partners.
One more Kalesh, one more fight in the SP Congress alliance even before the elections are underway in UP. Congress cannot get along with any regional ally. It wants to use and throw everyone. Whether it's Samajwadi, whether it's DMK, whether it's RJD, UBT Sena, JMM, NCP Sharad Pawar, all of them are having problem with Congress. We saw in the recent meetings, we saw in the recent developments. Because nobody has faith in Rahul Gandhi or in Congress. They have no mission, they only have ambition for position and division. And that results in this kind of tension. Now, if they can't unite to form an alliance, how will they unite to run the state?
All right, let's see how this plays out. I'm thanking Niyamika for getting us all those details and slipping into a very short break here.